and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today it is Monday, February the 23rd of 2026, and I am coming at you guys. It may be freezing cold out, but the deals are hot right now at Walmart. I'm super excited. We have some really good laundry deals that popped up. We have some amazing deals on vitamins, just some great stuff all around. I'm excited to tell you guys all about it in this video, so you're going to make sure you stay tuned to hear all of the awesome deals today. So, in the description box below, I do have a link to the printable breakdown. You guys can print that out, bring it with you in the store, you on your phone, it's available. Please make sure to actually watch the videos. That is what helps me out and allows me to continue to bring you guys these videos each week. So go ahead and watch the video. But I have that, so you don't have to handwrite everything out, unless of course you want to, which is cool as well. And then also, if you guys have already signed up with the rebate apps, go ahead and get signed up. I have my rebate app referral codes that I have referral codes for in the description box below. So anyways, guys, let's just dive right into our Walmart deals. We're going to start with the new ones first and then go over our resets. Oh my gosh, guys, the deal on the Centrum vitamins just keeps getting better and better. And literally, even since this morning, it got better. I was getting the video together, it was for a lower amount than it is now. So it went up while I was in the store. It's just crazy. So the Centrum vitamins, we have the silver ones. They are $7.72. I know this says rollback $6.12. Ignore that. That is not true. It is back up to $7.72. They just haven't changed over the tag. $7.72. We have a super awesome rebate over on Shopkick. This rebate is now for $7.26 back, which is 1,815 kicks. So after that, it literally makes it 46 cents, which is insane. And then the 100 count is also a good deal. It's $10.76. Our rebate for that on Shopkick, it is now 2,065 kicks. Or, wait, I'm sorry. Nope, that is wrong. 2,215 kicks, which is worth $8.86, making those $1.90. So amazing deals for the vitamins at Walmart. Definitely a great time to grab them. All right, so a good deal to check for is the Cheez-It Crunched. These guys at Walmart at my store are marked down to $2 on clearance, and there's just a $1 Peely coupon like right here on the product. So it doesn't get much easier than that. It'll just make these $1 each. So a really good deal for these. All right, so a pretty good deal for Arm & Hammer detergent over here at Walmart. I always love when this rebate comes around. These guys are $3.84 for the 25 load bottles. There's a rebate over on Ibotta. It is actually for a $2 rebate. So it ends up making it just $1.84. So a really excellent deal. All right, guys, we also have an excellent deal for these Arm & Hammer scent beads, like the boosters. So these guys are $4.93, which for the longest time, these were like $5.44. I'm pretty sure is what they were. So nice to see they came down a little bit, but they're $4.93. Super high value rebate on Ibotta for $3 back, so it makes it $1.93. So a really nice deal for the Arm & Hammer for sure. All right, so not a bad deal on Mitchum deodorant, especially because it has the roll-on deodorants, which we don't really get roll-on deodorant deals too often. It's a lot harder to get it on roll-on in my opinion. So Walmart does sell the Mitchum like 1.7 ounce roll-on deodorants. These guys are $3.98. We have a $2 rebate on Ibotta that doesn't include these, so it ends up making it $1.98. So a pretty good deal if that is something that you use. All right, so really nice deal on the new Pepsi prebiotic drinks. These are like a lot less sugar than regular Pepsi, and they have like prebiotics in them, and they're actually pretty good. I'll admit, I've tried them. They're pretty good, so this is a good time to grab them. These 8 packs at Walmart are $5.98. Go ahead and buy 2 of them. We have a Fetch Rewards offer. If you spend $3, you get back 3,000 points, and it's limit 3. So if you spend $9, you get back 9,000 points. So buying 2 of these is over the $9 amount. So you will get back on Fetch Rewards. You're going to get back 9,000 points, which is worth $6.39, assuming you typically use your Fetch points for a $5 Walmart gift card. So it ends up making it $5.57 for both, or $2.79 each. So a really nice deal for these. All right, guys, despite what the sign says, Valentine stuff, candy is now 75% off, and then the regular stuff is 90% off. So there's definitely some good stuff. So for instance, this Avengers set comes with like chalk, stickers, a puzzle, and a nice water bottle, and like a tin. This is $1.78, so that's really good. I also found some Reese's Red Velvet Miniatures, which actually sounds amazing. These guys are $1.24. Lots of candy. Not a ton of Valentine stuff left at this store, shockingly, but pretty good deals on what I could find. All right, so we got some really excellent deals for lunch meat. So we have the Sara Lee products. So the first one here is on the Sara Lee Maple Honey Turkey. You're gonna want to get about a quarter of a pound around there. It's $6.44 a pound, so a quarter of a pound comes out to be $1.62. We have a $1 rebate on Ibotta for the Sara Lee Maple Honey Turkey. It has no like size restrictions or anything like that, so it makes it 62 cents. Then there's a separate rebate for several of them, but it includes the honey ham, which is the cheapest one that I can find a part of it. It's $8.47 a pound, so if you get a quarter pound of that, so with the $1.50 rebate, it makes it 61 cents. So some really good deals on lunch meat. I mean, you're getting a half a pound of lunch meat if you get both of those for like $1.23, which is insane. So definitely good, and that's 2 towards your bonus. So a really nice deal. All right, guys, make sure you're still checking at your Walmart for clearance stuff, because my store like reset their natural stuff, and so it looks like there's no more clearance left. But look behind the deodorants. So the very last spray deodorant here was the one that's on clearance for $2.50. We still have a really nice $3 rebate on Ibotta, so it makes it free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. So awesome. All right, so really nice deal here for this Life Cider sparkling like drink stuff. These guys are on rollback right now at Walmart for $1.97, down from $2.48. We have a really nice rebate on Ibotta. It's $1.97 back when you buy 2. So basically it's buy one, get one free. So you're gonna get 2 of these for $1.97. So a really nice deal. So a really good deal for the Glade small like spaces air freshener, small room fresheners. Now you have to actually get either the Sea Waves variety or the lemon variety, which of course my store doesn't have. So no go for me. But if you guys can find those ones, they're $2.98 and there is $2 back on Ibotta. So it makes it 98 cents. So a pretty good deal on the Glade. All right, so a really good deal on the Betty Crocker soft-baked cookies. This is amazing. Now, I will say, if you have a Kroger, it is cheaper there. So be aware of that. But it is a good deal here, too. They're $2.97. We have a rebate on Ibotta for $1 back. And we do have a Fetch Rewards rebate for 1,000 points, which if you use your points to get a $5 Walmart gift card, that's worth 71 cents. So it's making them $1.26 a bag. So it is a pretty good deal over here at Walmart. All right, so really good deal on the crumble soap. I mean, it's not like last time, which was really, really good, but it is a good deal nonetheless. So it's on the crumble soap. These guys are $3.97. We have a really nice rebate on Shopkick. It is actually for $2.64 back, 660 kicks between bite and skin kicks, making it $1.33 per soap. So it is a good deal for sure. And these do actually smell really good. So nice. All right, so an excellent deal for these fire department coffee, like espresso instant pouches. These guys are $7.96 over here at Walmart. Super high value rebate on Shopkick. It's actually for $6.42 back. It's 1,605 kicks between bite and scan kicks. So after that, it's gonna make them just $1.54 each. So a really good deal. All right, guys, awesome deal here on the Hillshire Farm lunch meat. It's got even better since the last time we talked about it. It's so good. So select ones. Make sure you read through the rebate because it does exclude some. Like, it doesn't work on the honey turkey, unfortunately. It works on the oven roasted turkey, honey ham. They're select ones, so let's make sure you read through it. But they're $3.97 at Walmart. Swagbucks has $5 back when you purchase 2. So after that rebate, it literally makes them $1.47 each, which is absolutely amazing. So a great deal. All right, guys, really nice deal at Walmart on some Hillshire Farm smoked sausage. So we have the regular smoked sausage and the Polska stuff here. Certain ones, they're $3.76. We have a rebate over on Swagbucks. The rebate is for $4 back when you buy 2. So in the end, it makes it $3.52 for both, or $1.76 each. So a really good deal. But again, like the lunch meat, make sure you read through it because there's only certain ones that are actually included on the rebate. So be aware of that, but great deal. All right, so this deal is for all the Persil fans out there. I know a lot of you guys love Persil. So you're looking for the 84-ounce bottles. These guys are $12.97 at Walmart. there is a really nice rebate over on Ibotta. It's for $4 back. And then Shopkick now has $4.04 back. So after that, it makes it $4.93. So these are pretty large bottles. So if you are a Persil fan, this is definitely a great time to grab them at this price. All right, guys, that's all I got with this Walmart Deals video. I really hope y'all did enjoy. Happy couponing if you're in an area where it's really cold and snowy and just, yeah, I'm so ready for spring. But if you're in an area like that, stay warm. If you're not, consider yourself blessed that you're not. But, yeah, guys, that's all I got. Hope y'all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.